Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josh Gibbons and soon to be FBA seller. This is how I've opened my videos for the last couple of days, and today is another update video. If you haven't seen my last video, basically what happened is I was talking about kind of taking a bit more time before I launched my product to arrange a bundle and really maximize the quality of my listing, because with a lot of things in life, starting off and just going is a good bit of advice. So, you know, obviously that metaphor of how can you win a race if you don't cross the starting line, that I don't think applies with FBA, because I really think, sorry, there's a train going by, I have no idea if you heard any of this. If you launch a sub-quality product on Amazon, it's just such a waste of time and money, because not only will you not get the sales you thought, and you would have took the same amount of time. I mean, literally, it doesn't take much more time to launch an amazing quality product versus a substandard product. So you'll be wasting time, you'll be wasting money, because the investment you would have made won't be going to its maximum potential. And other than that, I mean, how can you be happy with yourself launching a sub-quality product? I don't get that. So the trains have gone now. So the update is, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I have ordered my stock. This is so exciting. This is the stage I've been waiting for, guys. So let me break it down for you. Over the past many months, I've been negotiating with suppliers for my main product, and I got down to one supplier. I knew they were going to be the right ones based on their product, the communication, the kind of experience of their company. And today was the day I finally ordered the stock. So I've paid 30% down as a deposit, which is about $560, and I guess I'll pay the rest when all the stock is made. So on top of that, I also ordered a sample for the bundle item that's going with my main product. So pretty much there's going to be a bit of timing delays and stuff, because as soon as I get the sample, okay, it's gone really windy now, let's wait for that to die down. I mean, thanks for watching this video just while the wind's here, if you can even hear me. Really appreciate you guys all the time being on my channel and supporting my journey. So okay, we're good. So I've ordered my bundle item sample, and as soon as that arrives, I will literally just check it with the main item, make sure it's okay, and I will order the main bulk of my bundle as well. So what's happening is I'm having about 300 units go for my first order. However, the bundle item had a higher MOQ of 1,000, so I can't. So what I had to do basically was order the 1,000 units of my bundle item, and what I'm gonna do if I go and order the 1,000 units is have 300 units shipped to my main supplier, have them bundled up and off to Amazon, and then the rest of the units, obviously whenever they can go to my supplier as well, they'll go to my supplier. So literally, what am I waiting for? What am I waiting on now, guys? One, the sample, just gonna make sure it's okay for my product and that I'm happy to sell a high quality bundle with the product. And on top of that, the deposit is down. So I asked my supplier to send me some images of production when they get round to it in the next couple of days, and I'm very excited. So pretty much once the production is finished of my main product, I've just got to wait and prepare my listing while the bundle item is in production, and obviously then that's all got to be shipped over to my main supplier to have it bundled up and sent to Amazon when I'll do the shipping plan. So the reason I can't do a shipping plan now is the bundle item being put with my main product means the weight and dimensions of the packages being sent to Amazon and the cartons will be different. So I have to wait for the bundle item to be packaged over at my main supplier's warehouse first before doing the shipping plan. So very exciting news, guys. We've finally got to this stage, and the hazmat review is still in freaking hazmat review. Yeah, nothing has happened with that. So confused. I've got the listing that works though, so I'm gonna send the inventory to that, or even better, if the hazmat review gets approved on my original listing, then I can transfer all the information over to that one and do it through there. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Leave a comment where you are in your Amazon FBA journey. I'd love to hear where you are, and if you're earlier on in the process than me, then leave me a message or send me an email. I'd love to help you out with your journey. So I'll catch you in the next video, which should be my sample has arrived or just an update on production and stuff. So thanks very much, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.